We're dumping out process.env in this path to see if we can find a variable that stores the full domain so that our application can phone home. Unfortunately, we can't do that because it's not in there, but let me show you what we got so far. Eventually, we want the full domain here in this DURL site, which will then be assigned to a variable only available on the client side. Here is where we're printing off the process.env dictionary. You can pause here if you want to transcribe that. DTS stands for dictionary to string. This is our /env path, where we're printing off the process.env as a response. Here is where we're doing that black magic, taking this token and replacing it with the full domain. Right now, we just stubbed in example.com because we cannot get the full domain yet. Here's a little footnote. Let's go into it a little bit deeper. Let's go to the root of the application. Remember, this is also server.js. And if we inspect this and look for www.example.com, we can see this nonsense right here because this is only to be executed on the server side. However, if we go to the next delta, we can see this has been replaced. The black magic URL has been replaced. Eventually, we will use this to phone home, but we need to do a little bit more work.